This is the way we tidy up, tidy up, tidy up. This is the way we tidy up to make our room look nice. Clean up everyone. Cleaning can be so much fun. Put things here and put things there. A tidy room shows we care. Pick up toys and make them stay. Books and clothes put right away. Step by step we clean and play. A happy tidy day. When we clean a little bit, everything will nicely fit. Working together every day makes the mess all go away. Clean up everyone. Cleaning can be so much fun. Now our room is shining bright. Great job we did